Landforms in India. Highlights of the lesson. Landforms of India. Mountains, plateaus, plains, islands, deltas, rivers, ocean and seas. Ritu. Summers are approaching. Here the climate will be too hot this summer. Raju. Where shall we go? Ritu. We shall go to cool place where the temperature is cool. Raju. Then we will go hill stations. Rosie. Friends. When we are on land, why there is difference in the temperature? Ritu. For this we should know the different landforms on earth. India is a land of diversity. Different types of landforms are found in India. It has varied physical features consisting of mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, islands, rivers, etc. Based on the physical features, India is divided into different major physical divisions. Mountain. Mountains are landforms higher than the surrounding areas. They are formed due to the tectonic movements, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and erosion of the surrounding areas caused due to wind, water, and ice. Mountains are found in the oceans and on land. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. High mountain ranges run along the entire northern boundary of India. The world's most famous mountain ranges is Himalayas, which run from the Indus Valley in the west to the Brahmaputra in the east, stretching over a distance of 2,500 kilometers. Do you know? The longest mountain range is over 40,000 miles long and 90% is under the ocean, called the Mid-Ocean Ridge. Valleys. A valley is a hollow or surface depression of the earth bounded by hills or mountains. A natural trough in the earth's surfaces that slopes down to a stream, lake or the ocean, formed by water and or ice erosion. Systems of valleys extend through plains, hills and mountains. Rivers and streams flowing through valleys drain interior land regions to the ocean. At the bottom of many valleys is fertile soil, which makes it as excellent farmland. Most valleys on dry land are formed by running water of streams and rivers. The bottom of a valley is called its floor. Do you know? Glaciers, which are massive ice sheets, create even bigger valleys. Hills. Hill is a high landform that is lower than a mountain. Hills are usually covered with grass. They are useful as grazing lands for cattle, goats and carabaos. Deserts. A desert is an area that receives very little or no rain throughout the year. Deserts usually form as a result of climate change. Deserts have very dry air and lots of wind. Deserts can be hot or cold. Do you know? The Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. Plateaus. Plateaus are sculpted by geological forces that lift them up and the wind, and rain that wear them down into mesas, buttes and canyons. Plains. Plains are broad, nearly level stretches of land that have no great changes in elevation. Plains are formed along a coast or inland. The plains are very fertile. That is why plains are thickly populated. Dunes. Dunes are mounds or small hills made up of sand that are created due to the action of wind and water flow, underwater dunes. It may be dome-shaped, crescent-shaped, star-shaped, linear-shaped and many more. The height of a dune hill can be as low as 1 meter or as high as 10 meter and more. Islands. An island form is land that is completely surrounded by water. It can be any type of land. The island can also be surrounded by different types of water such as a sea, ocean, river, and lake. Do you know? The names Andaman and Nicobar are taken from the Malay language. Peninsulas. Peninsulas are large land areas that extend into water bodies. They remain surrounded by water on 3 sides. Peninsulas are formed by lithosphere movements and action of water currents. Deltas. Deltas are low-lying triangle-shaped areas located at the mouth of rivers. In the course of creating a delta, the sand, silt and rock particles are accumulated in a nearly triangular shape. Deltas are wetlands that forms a river's entry and their water and sediment into another body of water, such as an ocean, lake, or another river. Deltas can also enter into land, although this is less common. Water bodies. Oceans, rivers, lakes, waterfalls. Oceans. An ocean is a large body of salty water that surrounds a large land mass. Do you know? Oceans cover nearly 71% of Earth's surface. Rivers. Rivers are natural flowing streams of fresh water descending from mountains. They mostly flow towards a lake, sea, ocean, or another river. Lakes. A lake landform is a body of water that is surrounded by land. This type of water is usually fresh water, while there are some that are salt water lake like the Great Salt Lake in Utah. Waterfalls. When a river or a large amount of water falls off steeply, normally in mountains, it is known as a waterfall. A waterfall is water that flows from edge of a steep place. Let's recall. A valley is a hollow or surface depression of the earth bounded by hills or mountains. The bottom of a valley is called its floor. Landform is any natural formation of rocks and dirt found on earth. Hill is a high landform that is lower than a mountain. The first ocean on the earth was formed about 4,000 million years ago. Rivers are natural flowing streams of fresh water descending from mountains. Deserts have very dry air and lots of wind. Glossary: Tectonic movements. Natural forces that cause the Earth's crust to deform. Volcanic eruption. Hot liquid rock. Erosion. Water, wind, and other natural forces cause rocks and earth to wear away. Carabaos. A domestic swamp-type water buffalo. Elevation. A rise or the raising of something. Crescent-shaped. A thin, curved shape that's thicker in the middle and tapers to thin points at each end. Descending. Going down. Assessment. 1. Answer the following. 1. What is the differences between a mountain and a plateau? Answer. A mountain is a high, steep landform that rises above the surrounding land. A plateau is a flat, elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounding area on at least one side. 2. How are plains formed? Answer. Plains are formed by rivers that carry sediment, small rocks and soil, and deposit it over time, creating flat and fertile land. 3. What is a peninsula and an island? Answer. A peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides but still connected to the mainland. An island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. 4. Why are the plains thickly populated? Answer. Plains are thickly populated because they have flat land that is good for farming, building homes, and easy transportation. 5. How are oceans formed? Answer. Oceans were formed millions of years ago when the earth cooled down, water vapor from volcanoes condensed, and it started to rain, filling the basins and creating oceans.